The IRS has announced an extension of its Free File program through 2029, maintaining its collaboration with a coalition of private tax software companies. This extension ensures that most Americans can continue to file their federal taxes for free, providing critical support to taxpayers who may otherwise struggle with the complexities and costs of tax filing. The Free File service remains accessible for 2023 returns until the federal tax extension deadline on October 15th. This year, the Free File program has processed 2.9 million returns by May 11th, reflecting a 7.3% increase compared to the same period last year. Ken Corbin, chief of IRS Taxpayer Services, emphasized the program's significance, stating that Free File has been a vital resource for over 2 decades, helping tens of millions of taxpayers. He highlighted that this multi-year agreement offers certainty and stability for the private sector partners involved, aiding their long-term planning and continued support for Free File. For the 2023 tax season, individuals with an adjusted gross income of $79,000 or less are eligible to use Free File, an increase from the previous year's threshold of $73,000. This increase means more taxpayers will have access to free tax preparation services. Additionally, fiable forms are available for all income levels, ensuring that every taxpayer has the opportunity to file their taxes without incurring additional costs. This accessibility is crucial for promoting equitable tax filing practices across various income brackets. In parallel, the IRS is evaluating the future of its Direct File pilot program, which offers a free filing option directly through the IRS for certain taxpayers in 12 states. During this tax season, more than 140,000 taxpayers successfully filed their returns using the Direct File system, resulting in an estimated savings of $5.6 million in federal tax preparation fees. This pilot program aims to simplify the tax filing process, making it more straightforward and cost-effective for eligible taxpayers. The IRS is currently gathering feedback from a wide range of stakeholders to assess the effectiveness and potential future of the Direct File program. IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel indicated that a decision on the program's future is expected later this spring. The agency's commitment to exploring innovative solutions like Direct File demonstrates its ongoing efforts to enhance taxpayer services and provide more efficient, cost-effective options for tax filing. The potential expansion of the Direct File program is particularly noteworthy as it represents a shift towards more direct government involvement in the tax filing process. Traditionally, tax filing has relied heavily on private sector solutions, but the success of the Direct File pilot suggests that there is a viable path for the IRS to play a more active role in this area. This could lead to significant changes in how taxpayers interact with the IRS and manage their tax obligations. Moreover, the IRS's initiatives are part of a broader strategy to modernize its services and improve accessibility. The continued support for Free File and the exploration of Direct File are aligned with the agency's goal of reducing the burden on taxpayers, minimizing costs, and simplifying the overall tax filing experience. These efforts are particularly important in the context of the ongoing digital transformation of government services, where the aim is to make these services more user-friendly and accessible to all citizens. In summary, the extension of the Free File program through 2029 underscores the IRS's dedication to providing free tax filing options to millions of Americans. Simultaneously, the evaluation of the Direct File pilot reflects the agency's proactive approach to improving the tax filing experience. Both initiatives highlight the IRS's commitment to making tax filing more accessible and affordable for all taxpayers. By continuing to innovate and adapt, the IRS aims to better serve the public and ensure that tax filing is as straightforward and cost-effective as possible.